if you're looking to grow your video production business this year, in front of me is what I believe to be one of the best investments you can make for yourself. Today, we'll take a quick look at this SmallRig cage that works with both the Sony A7III as well as the Sony A7R III. It's hard to believe that it's been over 8 years since I purchased my first camera. During that time, I've come across so many techniques and products that can make or break whether or not you can survive in this industry. Things like lighting, ND filters, and now my most recent discovery, camera cages. I once thought that you needed a huge cinema rig or thousands of dollars to be able to build a cage for your camera, but for under $100, I was able to grab this SmallRig cage, as well as a top handle from Newer that I'll review in another video. I honestly didn't think of this purchase to be a great investment initially, as I was looking to be able to mount my camera vertically on a stabilizer solely for social media content. But soon after, I quickly realized this was a game changer, and I've barely scratched the surface. Let's take a look into what makes this cage so special and why it'll always be a part of my checklist of things to bring on a shoot. So, starting with the right hand side, you have multiple mounting points for 1/4" screws as well as an RA locating pin mount that's perfect for making sure your accessories don't just twist off. Now at the bottom, you have more 1/4" threads. That's great for a quick release plate, an arc switch plate built right in for easy mounting, as well as a dual head wrench that's magnetically held into place. The left hand side features a NATO rail with quick mounting, as well as more 1/4" threads. And finally up top, you have even more 1/4" threads, an additional RA mount, and 2 cold shoe mounts. Now prior to this purchase, I rarely went handheld with my camera. I absolutely loved stabilized shots and felt like it was the only way to go if I wanted my videos to look as clean as possible. But since I started using the cage, I rarely use my stabilizer anymore. I actually removed the bottom stand and handle from my stabilizer to now use on the cage. It's perfect for when I want to just sit the rig down so it doesn't topple over, as well as when shooting it adds more weight and better hand placement for steady shots. Now, I know I'm not the only one guilty of this, but this dual head wrench that they have, it has saved me so much time from looking for a quarter or keys, something to be able to tighten up, in this case, the cage, the camera, or any type of mounts that I have. Now, if you're still here, it must obviously mean you enjoyed the video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Comment below as well your favorite accessory to mount to your camera cage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.